This is gonna be cool. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this grooming arm that also comes with the necklines and the no sit. So your dogs can't sit while you're trying to groom them. I have this hooked up to my table and we're gonna test this out. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is a really nice setup. We just assembled it. It was really easy to assemble. You can see all of these different screws here, screw in to hold the poles in place, and then this screws to your table. The nice thing about this is you can just undo these and it folds down really nice for storage. It does come with the neckline, which is easy to hook up right here. Real easy to hook up, one on each side, which is nice. So it makes it real easy when I turn them around. And then this, I will show you momentarily. I love that this has this nice padding on it. This makes it so your dogs cannot sit down while you're trying to groom them. So let's get one of the dogs on the table and see what happens. So you can see here, I have Eleanor hooked up right now, and right now I have this hooked up to her neck, and then this kind of goes around right here. Now, I can also take this and put it around her back end, and then that way she's not gonna be able to turn around like you saw her do just now. That'll make it so that she can't spin, but since Eleanor's a little new to this, we're just kind of slowly introducing her to it. But I think this is gonna hold her on the table pretty well. So you can see here, there's this little metal piece here and this piece here. That's going to tighten it up. Same thing with here. You kind of drag this down and that'll tighten that up. I did hook up the back piece to her and she's doing really well. Let's see how she does when I start blowing out her coat. So before we get the blower and show you the blower while she's standing here on the grooming arm, I know you can take a brush, you can brush your dogs. The nice thing about these being so thin is, look, I can just brush and it doesn't even stop it. Eleanor's like, whoa, this is pretty nice. I like this. Now let's see if you'll stand still while I blow out your coat. I have Eleanor on the table. I have the blower in hand. She was in the pool earlier and she may not look super wet, but she is a little damp, so we're gonna go ahead and dry her off with this. And I am going to use no heat right now and probably about this level. Oh my goodness. So even at this lower level, which is basically just me trying to get her a little dry, it is blowing that fur. Oh my goodness. I know, you love to bite the blower. This is like, Mom. Okay, now on this side, she actually is a little wet right here. Oh, I can feel that splash in the water right off ya. It's like, this is nice. I don't mind. Do you want me to turn it on full blast and show them what it can really do? Yeah? Okay, for a minute. Don't bite it. So as you can see, this held nice and sturdy. I did end up hooking up the back end and the front end so she couldn't spin around on me. I used the blower on her, I brushed her out a little bit, and it worked pretty good. So if you're looking for a really nice grooming arm for your grooming setup, this is really nice. I also like that it's powder coated in black. My other one that I have is silver, and this is gonna clean up a lot easier than the other one I have. So I would say that's a win. If you're looking for a great grooming arm for your setup, we recommend this.